हरि करना।
Welcome to yet another course. The course name is Intuitive Inferential Statistics for You course. So in this we will be looking into the statistical experiments and significance testing in detail. So this is the Intuitive Statistics and Probability for Data Scientists course roadmap. This is very big course. So in this course we have the subcourses. So the first one that we have seen is intuitive exploratory data analysis, that we have completed. Intuitive exploratory data analysis for you course. In this we have done introduction to statistics and descriptive statistics in detail. Then we moved on to the intuitive sampling distribution for you course. In this we have seen sampling methods and sampling distribution. Then once that is done, now we are moving on to the intuitive inferential statistics for you. So here we will be looking into the statistical experiments and significance testing. So that's what is this course. So now we are 2 steps away in completing this intuitive statistics and probability for data scientists course. So welcome to the intuitive inferential statistics for you course. You will be having a lot of fun here. So more exciting journey ahead. Hold your breath and get ready for the action.